Ano? Mauna maligo? Mauna ka maligo o mag-almusal? Ha? Ngayon lang ako nagtagal dito sa TV room. Kailan naalis si Kwan? Si Ka Henry?
Sabado.
Sabado? Ay, ayun. Anthony Tras ba yung Egoy? Yung malaking tao? Ha? Yung trying hard na one? Yung trying hard na nagpapapayat na one? Ha?
Oo.
Uy, Carlo, serious ka dyan, ha? yung trying hard na nagpapapayat. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, hello. What's your name? Say your name.
Tommy.
Yes. From where are you?
Nigeria.
Oh, okay. That's my son, my friend. He's my friend since from Nigeria.
Okay. Thank you.
Before he's small. Now
it's big.
too big. Oh my goodness. Kain na tayo.
Tatay pa ako.
Adlak. Bastos to, ala, naka-video ka. Gago ka.
Kain muna.
Ano pera mo? Di pa pinapadala pera ko.
Sino?
Mark.
Ano sabi nanay niya? Wala daw siya dyan.
Hindi, nanay niya, kapatid niya tinawag mo.
Baka naman nagastos.
Isko 100 lang, gagastusin niya yun. Grabe.
Dula?
Oo.
Joint ventures with Chinese companies, convinced there's a smoother road ahead.
Ito ang aming room.
China put itself firmly in the green car race.
Ito ang kama ni Cat Rock.
BYD announced it was
TV namin, no?
mass-produced plug-in hybrid in the United States in just 2 years.
Ito kama ko.
BYD or Build Your Dream is an
Ito kama ko.
U.S. auto market, but the company is one of the world's leading battery suppliers. That's important because for hybrids, the battery is one of the most crucial ingredients. The company says its F3DM plug-in hybrid can go more than 60 miles or 95 kilometers
4:30 ng umaga. Almusal ko lang. Pasok lang mamaya.
It will go 40 miles or 65 kilometers on
Yan si R namin.
And BYD has big dreams. Its concept car, the E6, would go more than 200 miles
Itong kama
or
ko.
320 kilometers on a single overnight charge. Unbelievable? Maybe.
Ganda ng aming kabina.
Technology has got the competition licked. Investment guru Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway.
Oh, this is a master drill. I'm going out to get mine.
Medyo lang ang station, medyo mo yan.
Bye.
Kala ko, dami-dami kong trabaho. Grabe. Na.
Ano para naman?